Hello traders. In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge your settings if you're using the Windows version from anything earlier than 4.2 to anything later than 4.3. So this is very important. If you're using anything earlier than 4.2 and you want to install anything later than 4.3 and you're using the Windows version, not the server version already saves everything where it should be, but the Windows version. Okay. So to be able to find that and to be able to merge all those settings over, first of all, you need to download the newest version of the TradeCopier, whatever that is. You need to log in. And then all you have to do is just hit save once, just to make sure that it saves the settings. And you see all changes have been saved successfully. And then you need to shut down your TradeCopier. After you shut down your TradeCopier, you need to find where Windows has actually installed the platformless TradeCopier Windows version. So Windows has this weird thing where it installs the UWP, that's what they're called, applications in some weird random files. So we got to find it. And to be able to find that, you need to go to your C drive. You need to go to your users. You need to go to the user that you actually have everything on. And inside of this user, you need to search for a .etp. Now, I've got a whole bunch of ETP logs here, but once I found them, I'm going to let it search because it's going to take a while. Once I find them, I'll show you how to find the files. I'm just going to pause the video until I find them. Now, if it doesn't find it in that folder, you need to go one folder deeper, which is the app data folder, and then search for .etp or assigned instruments. We have a lot of ETP stuff, so that's why I search for assigned instruments, for example. And you look at the last one modified, which this one's modified today, as I can see. Then you can left click on this, right click, and then hit open file location. And it's going to open the file location to where your settings are set. You need to grab all these settings right here, hit Control C, and now you need to go to the folder to actually paste those settings in there. So the folder is as follows. You need to go to your PC, C, users. You need to select your current user, app data, local. And then inside of the local, you need to find the ETP folder right here, TradeCopier, and then the username that you're currently using, and then paste over this. To be able to do that, you need to go to delete these and then paste them over. All right, and that is it. Once you start up the copier, your new settings will be set. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this wasn't too complicated. Bye-bye.